So number 3, let's draw like this. Okay, 3 and number 5. Okay, certified, Chile certified. So please follow me to draw all together. Okay, so let's start. So we need to start from here, curve up, and then we move around like this to draw his ear. Okay, like round. Okay, so this time I'm use the pencil. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. And then you can move here and to draw the oval. Okay, and move down. Okay, you can like here, and this circle move like this. Okay, to draw his eye. Okay, so okay. On the side, move up like this. So after that, you can see his head ready. So we move on the side here, and then we move down the curve here to turn his belly. Okay, and then move down, move to the right, and little curve here, and more curve, and go up right here. Okay guys, so we need to draw about his ear. So a little curve here start. Sorry, I have problem with my throat, so it will be annoy you. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so like this, his hand, drawing his hand, curve. So I will go faster, guys. Okay. Oh, and his hand here. This pretty big foot. Okay, the other side is high the middle. Okay, so the right here, you will paint it in black, right? So it is easy. So just painting in black, and you will look more better. Smile. So as you can see, you can guess that he smile like kissing something. So we are drawing he spraying the heart to somebody else, to a girl like that. So we're drawing heart around here, heart. Okay, and then we're painting in red. Another heart. Okay,